Just spray a little super clean all around the greasy spots. All right, let's just put it all up around here too. God.
1 hour later.
So how long are you gonna clean those wheels?
Oh, dude, they're almost clean, I think.
Whoa! Those things are super clean! Come over, you have to make sure they get the best treatment. This is the best product. We have my buddy Saul over here getting his little beast cleaned. Gotta use some super clean on these RPF ones. Bam. Get this grime out.
Shout out Spec Tuning.
Hey. Full bolt-ons tuned to E85. Takes care of business. Clean little setup. Car's been driving great. Got it pretty well tuned now. Just swapped over to E85, so we do have to do some more tuning on that. And I'm going to take you guys on that process with me. But this car is a ripper. I mean, it's not the fastest thing in the world. It's a single cam. But man, it is fun. It makes all the right sounds, makes all the right smells, and it's just fun, you know? I don't need the fastest car in the world. There's always going to be someone faster than me, so I just want something that I can enjoy. And let me tell you, this thing is sweet. Just got done changing the oil. Got some nice VR1 race oil in it. Just added some springies in here. Everything is going pretty good. Had a couple little things we had to dial in. Blow-off valve was a little too tight, so we had to loosen that up. I think I actually had to loosen it up a little bit more, as it really doesn't start to release the pressure in the charge pipes until, you know, 7, 8, 9 PSI. So I'm going to loosen that right now. As I just said, changed up some springies in here. Still going to be in the teens for PSI, but it's going to be mid to high teens now. So hopefully we'll be making around 300 wheel horsepower on this, on E85. And that's still super conservative. Let's see, got some more tuning to do with the E85. Just odds ends, and it just needs a real big cleanup. This car has been working and been worked on a lot, and it just needs to be really dialed in. So you know what? I think with the help of some of my buddies at Super Clean, I think we're gonna jump into this tomorrow. I think we're gonna do a nice wash on it, get her all squeaky clean. I think my buddy John's coming over. Stock. Oh, never mind.
Where do you want me?
I want you right in the main spot, baby. It's got some bolt-ons. I think it's full bolt-on with a stage 2 block. I think it's around 380 wheel horsepower on E85, so it's definitely no slouch. But he's just breaking it in just like me. We both have, you know, 5,000 or 500 to 1,000 miles on the car, so we're just having fun, keeping it low RPM. Still haven't revved this thing out. But yeah, enough talking about this thing. Let's get to the action. Start cleaning this bad boy up. Start making some good power.
Chubby bearded white boy who vapes.
I don't see a vape in your hand. You just called yourself. Oh, okay. Dang. It almost looks stock.
Yeah. So the biggest thing is how this is up at like kind of a 45
So it kind of
degree
rams the air in more.
Yeah. So the stock top mount's a lot smaller.
It's like, is it more flat?
It's way more flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this stock too?
No. So this actually came. They even put their little logo on it. Process West.
Oh.
So
we gotta dry that off real quick, dude. I got the hood.
it's
Oh wow, you
think
can
it
totally
came
see it
from
go all the way through. That's
Yeah.
cool.
So it kind of, it's
Dang.
their own little shrouding to help the air go in a little bit
Yeah, and
better.
it's got some good weather stripping on to make it seal.
I mean, it's not a front mount, but it's supposed to be the best, one of the best top mounts you can get without going crazy.
So you have this whole thing blocked off as well
Yeah,
for the
so they
intake.
didn't give me an intake box, but they gave me this little shield for the ECU.
Oh, okay. This is the ECU here.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
And my,
What's this thing right here?
so
Is that for the? What is that thing?
what do you think it is? I want you to take a guess.
I mean, I see a
That's my turbo, bro.
vacuum line. Yeah, I see a vacuum line going to it.
It's my turbo.
It
Yeah.
might be a possible diverter valve,
Oh
but
my god. You even called it the right name. I forgot, because they call it diverter valves in German cars, don't they? Don't they call it This is a bypass.
this is a bypass. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. I'll be wrong in that sense.
Well, you know what's fun is
Yeah, because I can see it's waste
recirculates
gating,
everything.
recirculated. This thing, just a
it's
little.
just a little belt shield. that came with
Ooh,
my intercooler.
yeah, because you're trying to be a hot boy. I figure.
And then I got the MA Performance downpipe down there coming off my turbo.
Ooh, yeah, I see that. Oh, that's what the little turbski is.
Yeah, little baby boy.
That thing pushes some serious power.
This is the beast right here, and you
Ooh.
would never guess it.
Was that say
This-
cob?
This
I know exactly
is-
what that was. Money.
Yeah.
Because it says cob on it. Good wiring. Well, cob. Yeah. Dude, let's put this right here. Look. Look at that. Look at that. I'm already a Subaru tech. You guys didn't even know. Okay. All
The
right.
last big thing is just the ALS, the air oil separation.
Yeah.
Just
Oh
because.
yeah, that's important. Have you ever emptied it?
It's only been on
Well,
for
you know,
like 2,000
yeah,
miles. Everything you could tell it's worn. You know, the bypass valve.
Oh, it's a daily driver.
You look at the block and it's just.
Oh, we forgot about that,
Oh
didn't
yeah,
we?
that's another. I guess that's kind of the main thing, right?
So what block is
So
this?
it's an IAG Stage 2.
Okay.
This is a stage thing, but it's basically.
So it's an
their
IAG or IAG?
IAG.
IAG Stage 2
Stage
block.
2 FA20. So.
And that's a piston rod.
Yeah.
Everything's
It's
gone through.
everything.
Wow.
It's basically just the heads and everything like that.
Sure as hell I'm having fun doing this. And, you know, super clean. Subscribed to my channel and asked if I would like to test out some other products. And I don't have any cleaning products other than dish soap because my cars are, well, not the shiny type anymore. I know I have been the shiny type person. I really do like to take care of my stuff. So, super clean. Ooh, okay. All right, what do we got here? Oh, super clean hat, camo front, American flag back. I definitely like that. Ooh, and we got a super clean shirt here. Oh, this is sweet. I've seen the green ones or the colored ones, but the super clean, tough task cleaner degreaser. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. New easy spray aerosol can. All right, a degreaser. I know I'm gonna need that. I'm doing a lot of greasy stuff. I mean, I got a couple motors over here that are gonna be greasy. All right, what else is there? Oh, wheel cleaner? They expect me to get some wheels? Super clean, just degreaser, more. All right, that's good. We're gonna need a lot of that. Just spray a little super clean all around the greasy spots. Up in there. Trust. Oh, dude, you could already see it working. All that dirt coming off. All right, let's just put it all up around here too. God.
1 hour later.
So how long are you gonna clean those wheels?
Dude, they're almost clean, I think. Whoa! Those things are super clean! Oh, sweet! Where's that second one?
It's green light, guys.
Oh, we gotta go. This damn Subaru, guys, let me tell you.
Stop, here's the fucking heart. Ow. I'm talking to you, Tony.
The tongue squints.
Oh, sorry.
Must be nice to be a Subaru guy. You got custom ramps.
They're not even cut.
You got royal purple break-in engine oil.
That's because that's what the fucking, that's what IAG said to get, motherfucker.
They read instructions. They follow them. That's the weirdest part.
I'm a tech guy.
I don't even know what to tell you, man. Jeez. Let me guess. You probably torque your bolts and stuff, huh?
You motherfucker. Of course.
Did this car come with a vape when you bought it, or did you have that prior to ownership?
It's a $200 add-on.
Oh, okay.
It comes with premium juice subscription for a year, though.
Oh, premium juice sub? What?
Oh, shit.
Hey, that's going in the bloopers. That's for sure going in the bloopers.